everybody. How are you doing? I'm doing fine. I have another new box for you today, and it is a totally different box than I normally do, because I normally do like beauty subscription boxes and adult boxes and book boxes, but this box it's a plain old box. No, I'm kidding. It's a craft box. And it came like this, so it's not a special box on the outside. It's special on the inside. So let me tell you a little bit about it, because there's really nothing to say on the outside of the box. So this is called the craft box. And it says, beautify your world and someone else's with each month's craft box. This box is $16.99 a month, and they ship on the 15th of each month for reoccurring customers. The current monthly box will ship within 2 days of ordering, and then each subsequent box will be shipped on the 15th of the month. It ships worldwide. I do not know why I have such a time saying that word. Worldwide from the United States. It renews automatically. You can cancel anytime. The monthly subscription craft box for the creative soul. And doesn't every soul have the creative spirit? It's delivered right to your door, everything you need to create at least 2 complete projects. Here at the Craft Box, we want to promote giving, so we've included a gift giving bag so that you could gift one of your creations. You get 2 quality crafts, gift giving bag, inspirational quote for your future vision board, gift giving ideas, and a little extra something to make you smile. So let's open this up, and I will actually be completing at least one of these projects so that you can see me do this. So this is how the box actually comes, and it's a very light box. It's light and airy. So when you open it, this is this is what it looks like when you open it up. We'll move our paper out of the way, and that's what that looks like. Let's read our note, and it says, your crafting adventure awaits. And I am a big crafting person. If you see my craft room, you'd be like, what in the heck's wrong with you? Yes, when I started my channel, I was going to be doing craft videos, crafting, arts and crafts, DIYs, because I do that stuff all the time. When I'm not doing videos for you guys, I'm doing DIYs or reading books. That's who I am. I do flower arranging, all that. I do everything. Yes, I'm a multi-talented person. I am. You wouldn't believe it. I really am. But anyway, it says, you are the lucky recipient of the gift of crafting. Enjoy your complimentary subscription box. They sent me this box to review. Thank you very much. If you'd like to receive next month's box, please visit us at, and then they sent me the Crate Joys link. So I'm going to provide that for you guys so that you can get your own craft box and get your crafting on. And we sincerely hope you enjoy your, excuse me, crafting experience. Please contact, I can't talk again. Please contact us immediately if there are any problems with your crafting box. There are no problems. Thank you very much. It's beautiful. And they have provided us with a code where you can get 10% off, and the code is LOVE, L-O-V-E, number 10, 10, LOVE 10. So you can get 10% off your first box. So let's open this little beautiful package up. Isn't that pretty packaging? Aww. I'm gonna open it up, get the tape off of it down there so that we can open it up, because it's kind of a big box down here. Come on now. There we go. It's such a pretty package. Look at that. All right, let's see here. There we go. There's our contents. Isn't that just cute? And right on top must be our quote. And it says, if your dream doesn't scare you, it isn't big enough. Christine K. Stevens. There is our quote. I don't know. My dreams scare me, but for the wrong reasons, I suppose. But there is our crafting projects. So let's see what we got in here. I'm kind of excited for this. Oh, I see a cute little penguin. Oh, he's got a thermometer. Aw. Oh, isn't that so cute? Oh. We're going to make a penguin thermometer thing. Oh, there it is. It says Penguin Thermometer Craft Kit. Aw. That is so cute. It says you peel and stick the white chill out foam pieces to the front of the black penguin body. Peel and stick the two black foam wings to the body as shown. And then peel and stick. So it's a peel and stick. I can handle that. Yes, I can. I can do that. I can do that. We'll probably do the penguin because he's going to be a cutie. He's going to be a cutie. All right. Oh, we have two more things. Oh, there's the bag. There's the little bag. Oh, oh, what's this little thing say? Here's our little bag. This must be the one where we can share it with our friends. Let's see here. Let's see, let's see, let's see. All right. It says, share your creativity with someone else. This bag makes gift giving easier. Just insert your creation, tie, and give. So they even provided a little twisty tie thing in there. Come out. Come on out. Come on out. They put the little twisty tie in the bag for you. They provided everything, the little filler squiggly things, and you put your little creation in there, and then you tie it up, and then you give it to that person that you want to have your little gift. I think that is an awesome idea. Very nice idea. Okay, so then we have, oh, earrings. Oh, isn't that just a wonderful idea? You can make your own I already make my own earrings. Although you never see me wearing earrings. I have hundreds of pairs of earrings in there that I make them all the time. I have my own earring making kit. Oh, I don't even know how I make them. I don't even wear them. But I do make my own earrings. So they provide all the beads and everything is in there. I have thousands of these things. It's craziness. It really is craziness. How do you open this thing? How do you get into this bag? Let me in. I don't even know how to get into this. Oh, come on now. Let me in. All right, well, let's move on to the next bag because I see that those are earrings too. Oh, you're already open. Okay, see? I see a hook. Let's see what you do. All right. Oh, that's so nice that they send the instructions. You don't even have to, well, I don't have to read the instructions, but that's nice that they provide the instructions. So, okay. It says Starfish Earring Craft Kit. Please note, this craft kit requires jewelry tools, not included. Guess what I have? Jewelry tools. But there's the instructions. Isn't that neat? They provide all the instructions. You don't even have to go on the internet or anything. They included them right in the package. That is so super neat. I love this box. This box is so super neat. And then I'm assuming that these are all of the pieces included. Oh, don't want to lose them. Let's see. Let's see, let's see. Oh, yes. Yep, these are all the pieces in here. All right. Oh, no, don't fall. Don't fall. Please don't fall. Yeah. So I'm going to show you one of the beads. There's one of the beads. Yep. They include all the little beads right in the box for you. Isn't that just the neatest thing? Wow. And it's a glass bead. That is a glass bead. That is so super neat. I don't know if you guys, yep, you'll be able to see it. There we go. There's the glass beads for the earrings. That is the super cutest thing I have. This is a brilliant idea. Brilliant. Just brilliant. What a wonderful idea to come up with for a subscription box. This is brilliant. Wow. Wow. There's the beads that I just showed you. They go in this center of the earring. Brilliant idea, you guys. This is a brilliant box. I love this box. I love this box. This is amazing. So I am going to go find my jewelry making tools, and we're gonna make the penguin. and a pair of earrings. That's what we are going to do. All right, I will be right back, and we are going to make some jewelry and a penguin. I will tell you, I had a lot of fun doing that. That was a lot of fun. So first, I thought there was 2 pairs of earrings included in this craft box, but it was not. It was actually a heart polymer bracelet craft kit, and here's a picture of that, and it came with all the instructions, and I want to tell you, it took no time at all, and I finished the bracelet, and here is the bracelet. That gave me a slight problem, but once I did one side, the other side was no problem. It will fit an adult, and there it is. It is very pretty, very pretty. Not a problem. I loved making this. This was so much fun. I loved this. I still have the earrings to make, but I don't want to take up any more of you guys' time because I know, time's precious, but I'm definitely making them earrings, and you will see me in a future video with those earrings on. But you know how you put things together and you still have extra parts? Well, I do. I still have only 3 pieces, but that's okay. I still love this bracelet. I think it is so pretty. Isn't that so pretty? I just love it. And how simple. Just absolutely beautiful. That is so beautiful. I just love the little hearts and all of the color. Very simple, very easy. Great idea. And I think it would be, even a child could do this. This would be a great idea for, I could do this with my grandchildren. You could do it with your children. It would be a great idea for that. And then the penguin. This was the funnest thing to do. I thought that he was so fun to do. He was absolutely fun. I just loved doing this. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just easy. And I want to say I would say probably as young as maybe a 4 or 5 year old could do this. I mean, not the thermometer. An adult would probably have to attach that, but it's so easy, so just wonderful. And then to have this, you really didn't need the directions. You could just follow that, and then, oops, he's upside down. There it is. Absolutely amazing box. I highly suggest this box if you're into crafts and you want an easy weekend craft to do with your children. There it is. This box, the craft box. highly recommend this box 100%. 100%. I love it. I love it. 2 thumbs up. Great box. So now to the curator of this box. We had a funny email back and forth. First, I want to tell the curator of this box. Sorry, got a phone call. Anyway, her name is Deborah Perry, and she emailed me after I emailed her, and she said she loves my honesty, and she was kind of like, oh my goodness, here we go. But I told her it wasn't gonna be that bad. I told her that. So see, I told you so. I love your box. It's amazing. And I hope that your box does so well, because it is a wonderful box. Great job. I'm so happy that you created this box, because this box is unique. It is wonderful. It is timeless. It is going to stand the test of time. It is never going to wear out its welcome. It will always be welcome in everyone's home, because nobody gets tired of doing arts and crafts. So, with that being said, if you would like to get your hands on this wonderful box, I will provide the link down in the description box for you to get on over to Cratejoy and get yourself the craft box. And don't forget to use that code LOVE10. I believe that's what I said it was. Let me find my paper so I don't be misquoting people. LOVE10. Yep, right there. LOVE10. LOVE10 to get yourself 10% off your first box, and flood Deborah with all of the orders in the universe so that she knows how much you guys appreciate her and what she does, and show her that her box is going to stand the test of time. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I think that's it. Amazingly enough, I am done talking. Can't believe it. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video real soon with probably another new box. And that is it, my friends. I appreciate you and everything you do. Don't stop being you. All right, guys. Bye now.